Hello everybody, hey, it's Jeremy O'Neill with Advisorfix, getting a quick workout in. I hope your fitness goals are right on track. This is another fitness video from Advisorfix. No, it's not. I'm not here to teach you about fitness. I'm here to teach you about helping your customers take really good care of their cars. All right, check this out. We've got some new toys. I'm so excited. I got some new grips for my mountain bike. Going to put this on tonight. Go shred in the morning. Spent a lot of time at the skate park over the last couple weeks. It's been absolutely dynamite. Got a brand new BMX park bike. Absolutely loving it. So if you're not having fun in life, do those things that you wanted to do when you were a kid. Get your helmets back out, put them on. Go out there and take some laps around the BMX park. Be a lot of fun for you and maybe bring back some passion to your life. All right, let's get down to business. Check it out. I want to welcome you to April 2019. Now, the world is moving incredibly fast and our industry is no different. Understand, there's a lot of pent-up buying energy. Sorry, I got to take these gloves off. There's a lot of pent-up buying energy in the market right now. What we're seeing is an explosion of business and an explosion of car count. So right now is the perfect time to make sure that your processes are in place and that you're putting your customers in a position of wanting to buy what you're offering. Look, if you're having problems with sales, please contact me because there should be no reason why your shop is struggling with sales right now. The customers in today's market have vehicles that they want to take care of, and these cars are neglected because of what the manufacturers have done with maintenance schedules over the years, and these cars and the customers need our help. So our focus for our coaching for the month of April is going to be this. And one of my mentors says it really well. Anthony Robbins says that persuasion is the process of getting people to do things for their reasons. What you're going to understand with automotive repair and maintenance sales is this. There's a dividing line. The really good service providers and the really great shops in North America understand how to put their customer in a position of wanting to buy what they're offering, and they focus on the client's needs. The best service providers on the planet understand how to connect the personal dots with the customer and help them understand how what we do today is going to help you get what you want out of your life, not just out of your car. Remember, the car is a vessel, it's a vehicle. It's a transportation provider to get that customer to the fun things in life that they want to do, like going to the skate park, all those good things. Now, I like to have fun with some of the props that we use and kind of lighten up the videos, but realistically, I love going to the skate park. I love riding my dirt bike. I love hanging out with my kids. And most of all, I love feeling young. Nothing will make you feel younger than when you attempt a backflip and land straight on your head and see stars running around. Haven't done that yet, and I hope I don't have to do that. But please share your stories with us as far as what you're doing out there to break outside of the shop and break outside the mold of life and get what you want out of life, especially when it comes to having fun. Okay, back to business. Check this out. You can download our monthly coaching plan at advisorfix.com. Check out the materials tab. We have a lot coming up. So my message for you is this. Persuasion is the process of getting people to do things for their reasons. I'm going to encourage you to focus on your customers. Tell me what you know about your customers. Try to find 5 different things that you didn't know about them before. Heck, for some of you, it's a struggle just to find one thing that you didn't know about your customers before. So the coaching plan is up there for you. I encourage you, set your goals for April. Stretch really high. Set high goals to make yourself play really hard and come to the table prepared every single day to give it your best, give it 100% of your effort, and set those goals high. So you've got the template, you've got advisorfix.com. Materials tab will show you how to set the goals that we're focused on with our coaching clients. And in our private coaching this month, we're going to focus on 2 specific areas in the sales process. Number 1 is initial write-up. Understand that 80% of your sale is made by creating and maintaining those expectations that your customers have with the transaction today. And then number 2, we're going to help you really master your sales presentation. Number 1, the digital sales presentation, and then the old school analog sales presentation when you have to pick up the phone and call the customer for that sales presentation. So check out the download that form at advisorfix.com, the materials tab. Okay, if you want to know where you can catch me live at our next upcoming classes, we've got a couple different areas for you to connect with me. Number 1, we'll be at the ASA National Convention at the end of April, beginning of May. You can check out those dates right here, and there's a link on screen for you to click and register. If you're in the Midwest, if you're in the Dallas area, please stop by. Got a couple great courses we're going to be delivering and a panel on talent and how talent is one of the most important assets of your business, and I'll be delivering that with Tony Mola of the ASA. Really excited about that. Next, I'll be in Richmond, Virginia. Yes, going to the East Coast. On May 11th, I'll be delivering Maximizing Profit, Selling Diagnostic Services, and that's for our wonderful partner, WorldPack Training Institute. Remember, the number 1 way for your shop to be more profitable is to open up that speed dial catalog every single day and buy all of your parts from WorldPack. After all, they've done the research. They've got great products for you. So check us out. It's May 11th. It's a full day class. It's super affordable. If you're on the East Coast, it's a great way to come down on a Saturday, tune up your diagnostic selling skills, one of the most important labor operations that you can derive to build profitability for your shop. And then my own personal class, May 16th and 17th, a Thursday and a Friday out here in Southern California. Got a few seats left for this one. We're going to be doing Becoming a Trusted Service Advisor. This is where we help you maximize and master the 4 pillars of sales success. That's going to be out here in Southern California on May 16th and May 17th. So check out all the details right here at advisorfix.com. All right, that's all I got for you today. We'll be back next week with some more information and more updates for you. Remember, I believe in you. If you need support, check us out on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can always catch me at jeremy@advisorfix.com or shoot me a text. My cell phone's up on the website after all. I wish you the best in April 2019. I hope that you smash your sales goals. Go out there and make it happen. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.